रणबीर एंड दीपिका, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि ऐसा क्या आप नहीं करते हैं जिसकी वजह से कोई तमाशा हो जाए। अक्सर हम कहते हैं ना कि यार तमाशा ना बन जाए, तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप जिन चीज़ों का बेहद ख्याल रखते हैं।
देखिए, मेरा तो मानना है कि हम एक्टर्स हैं, हम शो बिजनेस में हैं, सो जब तमाशा होता है तो अच्छी बात होती है, गुड या बैड। बट आई थिंक एक हद होता है, आप हद को पार नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन ये एक आई थिंक ये अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये तमाशा बना। ये मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है इम्तियाज़ के साथ, दूसरी फिल्म है साजिद भाई के साथ, मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है दीपिका के साथ, और मेरी 11वीं फिल्म है सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर के साथ। सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू वर्क विद दिस टीम। आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर रॉकस्टार ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, बहुत कुछ दिया। यू नो, लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस, लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग। आई लर्न अ लॉट वर्किंग विद दीपिका। यू नो, वी स्टार्टेड आवर सेकंड फिल्म टुगेदर, बचना है हसीनो। फिर हमने जब जवानी दीवानी की थी, वो बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी। एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट टू लर्न अ लॉट जस्ट टू सी हर ग्रोथ एज एन एक्टर, यू नो, क्योंकि मैं वो 5 साल के बीच वी नेवर वर्क टुगेदर, लेकिन जब हमने वो फिल्म में काम किया तो जस्ट टू सी हर ग्रो एज एन एक्टर एंड टू दिस एक्सटेंट was really heartwarming and was really encouraging and really inspiring for me. तो मेरे लिए तमाशा is very special, you know, to come with this team together. And I really hope that, you know, the people give the film a chance at the theaters and they enjoy the film.
Hi, I'm from the Buzz Diary. My question is to both Ranbir and Deepika. Uh, like in the trailer, we see you guys like, I think Ranbir has a fake life. He has gone out of a mold and doing things. Do you ever feel like that in real life as a celebrity, that you guys need to go to some place in the world and just forget about it and live like that in the movie? Like living like how it's in the movie, fake. You
Well,
want to like leave everything behind and go somewhere?
absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in
Yeah.
the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, that, you know, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. You know, I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. You know, sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Yeah, is
You
that
know,
true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. You know, like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this, yeah, ये कहीं देखा है. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Jhand Fakir, Suar Ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to know, sir.
Thank you.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन घोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर। हम हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक, टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे, फिर से करेंगे, फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है,
बोलो
बोलो,
जवाब दो।
जवाब दो।
And Ranveer, your thoughts on chemistry with Deepika?
It's very good, and I'm extremely happy about it. But like Deepika said, you know, now it all depends on tamasha. If people don't like tamasha, God forbid, then people will probably think that our chemistry is not so good. You know, it's also so dependent on success, on the way we've performed, on the way the film has been perceived. So it's all film by film. But I'm really happy that, you know, people have liked our pairing together, and I hope that they continue doing so.
Ranbir, congratulations for your trailer. My question is to you, Ranbir. Yeah. Yeah.
Here,
Ranbir.
here doesn't help, boss.
Hi.
Hi. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is: you have reunited with your favorite director and favorite actors. So somewhere around, do you feel pressurized on the context of your past movies? Do you feel pressurized a little bit?
Actually, lesser because I have such talents now. It's not that I didn't have talents before, but this is like home for me. Working with Imtiaz is so comfortable because I know he's looking out for me. He's directing every breath of mine because he cares for me and he makes. He brings it out to me, okay, sir, this is not good, sir, this is not good. And he'll continue to make me do better in life. Same with Deepika. I think both of them really care for me and, they really care that I do well in life. So I feel less pressure when I'm working with them. Probably when I go outside and work with people I haven't worked with, I'll feel more pressure then.
Hi Ranbir.
Ranbir,
Hi.
I am Pankaj from glamsham.com.
Hi.
Some months ago, Arjun Kapoor had said that they really, your contemporaries and the newer actors, they really look forward to what you are coming up with next, and they are very keen to, they respect you as an actor, and they think that you might be the next superstar. So,
देखिए सबसे पहले तो मैं ये नेक्स्ट 7 साल से सुन रहा हूँ तो मैं हूँ नहीं
Okay.
तो जब होऊंगा तो बताना बट लाइक आई सेड कि अभी फिलहाल पता नहीं यू शुड आस्क मी इन द नेक्स्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इफ दे स्टिल लुक अप टू मी बट आई होप कि विद तमाशा इट reinstates that fact that I'm doing good work but the honest truth is we all are doing good work because the quality of cinema has really improved. New ideas, new minds, actors are becoming fearless. The kind of movies now, I mean Deepika is doing just the selection of movies, it's pushing the boundaries of cinema, it's pushing the boundaries of performance, of box office collections. So I think we all are inspiring each other. There is no front person or a back person. I think we all are all together taking the onus of taking this industry forward and taking the legacy forward of all the great films that Sajid Bhai has made or produced or what UTV has done and Sid has been doing all these years. I think it's up to all of us right now to carry it forward. Not that I'm saying that you're old or that your lifetime achievement award nahi hai, but I'm saying it's balanced.
Ranbir,
Imtiaz ji,
Ranbir
hello.
here. Ranbir towards your left. Here. Ranbir, one of the major reasons why Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was a yeah, I'm back, Deepika. Thank you. One of the major reasons why we loved Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was your pairing with Deepika Padukone, and given the fact that she has delivered a lot of blockbuster hits after that, and also with Ranbir, can we say that she will be a lucky charm this time around?
You asked me the same question.
No. That was a different one. I have,
You framed it slightly differently.
and you liked it.
First,
I did not. I gave you a very nice answer. Okay, anyway. You are.
First of all, I think it's not fair to label anybody as a lucky charm. I think Deepika, whatever she's achieved is because of her hard work and her dedication. But yes, I hope her luck rubs out, the luck word that you're saying, rubs off on me and not mine on her. यही दुआ करता हूँ. But like I said, we're really happy with this film. We're really happy that, really proud, with this film. And do come and see it at the theatre near you.
Ranbir, one more thing. One thing which is astoundingly amazing and unique between you and Deepika and in the context of Bollywood is the fact that two former lovers collaborating for a professional reason.
अच्छा आप ये selfie लेके बोल रहे हो कि आप
No, sir, this is not a selfie, this is a video. Okay. The question is, we rarely see that happen in Bollywood where two former lovers come together for a movie. So how do you guys do it so amazingly well?
बहुत सिंपल है.
Such a unique
सुबह मैं उठता
question.
हूँ घर पे, ये उठती है घर पे, नहा धोती है, ये सेट पे पहुँचती है, मैं सेट पे पहुँच जाता हूँ. इम्तियाज अली हमें सीन बताते हैं और हम शूट करते हैं. Finished.
Is coming up.
Yes.
Share your birthday with Lata Mangeshkar, one of India's.
Yes.
And say who
And Bhagat Singh ji also. Yes.
I believe you will be in London.
Yes, you believe right.
How are you planning to celebrate your birthday with your family and your special one?
No, my family is back in India now. I'll be shooting on that day. But it's always great to be at work on your birthday. I don't believe too much in birthdays. I think it's a very it's a day which makes me very sad because you're supposed to, sir, आप क्यों ऐसा चेहरा बना रहे हो? Because I feel that you have to feel the most special on that day, and it never met my expectation. So I'm happy that I'm working on my birthday.
How can we make it special for you?
If everyone sings for me, I can take good wishes. All your
Sing
good
now?
wishes, yes.
Sing now. Okay. We'll sing at the end of the press conference, okay?
I've been having a lot of family dinners. It's not that on my birthday.
Invite him for one of them.
He's saying that I should invite you for one of those dinners.
So Imtiaz, yeah.
Imtiaz
over here.
इम्तियाज जी this is कोई
Yes, yes. Mic किसके पास है?
मेरे पास
Yeah, yeah, Imtiaz over here. To your left.
Yeah.
Extreme left. So Imtiaz, your last movie as rock star. Can you just?
इम्तियाज जी आपके लिए प्रश्न है हाँ
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
रणबीर
Good afternoon.
कटरीना को
I have the mic. Good
मैंने सुना
afternoon.
आपका क्वेश्चन, उन्होंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है क्योंकि अभी 4:30 बजे रिलीज होता है ट्रेलर, तो जब देखेंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा।
लेकिन आपने उनको दिखाया तो रहे
नहीं, मैंने खुद मैं यहाँ के मैंने देखा है, जब मैं बैठा था
तो
तब
आप
मैंने
मेरे
देखा।
सवाल को इग्नोर क्यों कर रहे
तो अभी ये जवाब नहीं था क्या?
थे मतलब मेरे को 3 बार पूछना पड़ा
बट मोहतरमा जी दूसरे भी सवाल पूछ रहे थे ना, सॉरी।
Ranbir, thank you.
देखो अगर
Ranbir,
मैं आपका दिल ना तोड़ता तो झनकार कहाँ से आती?
वाह 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 वाह।
Ranbir, good afternoon. Imtiaz,
Wait. She's messaging it to somebody. She's saying.
नहीं, ये एक सेकंड।
He said this to me. Oh my god.
Ranbir.
if you can hear me. मेरा सवाल
Yeah, this
आपसे
mic.
जब हम ट्रेलर देखते हैं कहीं ना कहीं रॉकस्टार की भी याद आती है जिस तरह के सीन है खास करके जब लव सीन है जहां डैगरबाजी हो रही है क्या उसी तरह की इंटेंसिटी वाला लव होगा या उसकी याद दिलाएगा और प्लीज कंटिन्यू आंसर दिस देन आई आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन
रॉकस्टार की इंटेंसिटी की याद दिलाएगा।
You forgot the question.
नहीं नहीं, बुरा लग रहा है कि आपको ऐसा लगा क्योंकि हमने तो यही कोशिश की है कि हम एक नया किरदार प्रस्तुत करें, एक नया एक फिल्म प्रस्तुत करें, बट मैं यही अच्छी विश्वास है कि जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं क्योंकि ये एक नया फिल्म है, एक नई कैरेक्टर।
I don't think
देखो
this.
सर,
Oh God, one more.
कीटाणु कीटाणु किरमी दिखता नहीं है गॉड की तरह पर होता है जरूर।
क्या बात?
आ जाता है, क्यों आता है नोबडी नोज।
good afternoon.
अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है, बोलो जवाब दो, अंदर क्या है। दीपिका अंदर है।
Good afternoon, everybody. Congratulations on the trailer launch. Ranbir, Deepika, Imtiaz, Vikram from NDTV. Before the trailer launch, the promotions of the film started on a very good note. I mean, it was very different. The vlogs were very interesting. Ranbir, a bit of laughing at yourself, considering, I mean, there's a tag maybe that Ranbir doesn't promote his films enough. Do you also agree with that?
Not at all, yeah. Thapa, to be honest, I'm an extreme. I'm very proud of my movies. I'm really happy with the kind of people I work with. And if it was my last film, Bombay Velvet, if it was before that, Besharam, or Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, I've promoted equal number of days. Sometimes what happens is like a film like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, because it has Badtameez Dil and Balam Pichkari, that does your promotion. Then a film like Bombay Velvet, because it doesn't have the songs or doesn't have the kind of world which is enticing a large audience, so people think that maybe it's lesser promotion. So it all depends on film to film. Where this was concerned, and to take a Mickey out of yourself, I'm all for it. I think to laugh at yourself, there's nothing greater than that. And if you laugh at yourself, then at some point the audience will laugh with you also. But like I said, this was a very innovative idea that Imtiaz thought and Mohit thought, the gentleman standing out there. And we never really thought, we thought it's a very small idea and maybe it'll get a little traction, but it got noticed pretty well. And I think we want to take this forward also, we're going to...
Yeah, because this is what we do anyway.
Yeah.
So it's become easy for us now.
Yeah.
We'll take the last two
Okay,
questions.
one final question, Ranbir. I mean, it's a little away from Tamasha, but not very far away, again, considering it considers you as well.
See, I don't know any...
The FIR against you today, do you know anything about it? And
Yes,
how do you react to it?
I heard about it actually when I flew back, so I asked my people concerned, and they said it's against something called Ask Me Bazaar, which I'm not a part of. तो मैं तो बच गया भाई.
रणबीर इसमें है why always the same story और उसमें there's a dialogue which says कि मजनू को कपड़े फाड़ने पड़ते हैं और अभी आपने एक अपनी मजनू आयत की एक मिसाल भी दिखाई जर्नलिस्ट को झनकार पैदा करके तो आपने कब कपड़े फाड़े?
मैंने टावल गिराए, कपड़े नहीं फाड़े हैं। नहीं, मैंने इसके कपड़े फाड़े हैं। हाँ, एक हमारी ग्रैब पार्टी हो रही थी और कुछ ऐसा हुआ।
थैंक यू मीडिया,
Thank you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।